everyone, welcome back. So in the previous video we have created Office Access and we have tested whether the user was able to access the application that we have implemented in this policy. So we were successfully able to access the application as well as block the application. So now let's test conditional access policies with Whatif. So let's create another policy. Let's add as Office grant and let's select the users. And let's add the cloud apps. Let's select Office 365 and now let's add conditions too. So in this case I'll be keeping user risk level as high. So I'm just showing you this for an example. And coming to the client tabs, let's see what we can do here. So I just don't want to keep this. Okay, device platforms. Okay, let's add this. So let's configure this and let's select a platform. In this case I'll be using Android as well as Windows. And done. And make sure that you keep it on. Great. You must either oh shit, yeah, I forgot. So in this case let's grant it with multi-factor authentication, because in the previous one we have blocked it. So in this case we'll try to grant it. Great. So we have two different policies. The one is for blocking the user, the one is for granting the user. However, I have just off the first one. The first one, the first policy state is off and the other one is on. So let's wait for it to refresh. I'm not sure why the other one just went away. However, let's see Whatif condition here. So here you can see there is an option called Whatif. Click that. So here you can simulate your conditions. So let's select the users and let's select this particular user and any cloud app. Coming to device platforms, in this case let's add Windows and let's click Whatif. So you can see the policy that will be applying and the policy that will not apply. So the one which we the state is off, it doesn't apply to this particular policy, whereas the one which for the grant access, the policy applies. So this is how you can test your conditional access policies with the Whatif tool. So that's it for now. I hope you guys understood the concept of today's video. If you've liked the video, please click like button below and I'll be keeping the relevant links in the description for you to watch. And please do share the video and do subscribe. Thanks everyone.